Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to redeem your SurveySavvy points for cash. So I'm logged into my SurveySavvy account. I've accumulated $30 which I'm going to redeem. Click on request payment and it'll bring you to this page where it'll display your address. Check this box to confirm your mailing address is correct and click continue. On this page, you have to choose the amount that you want to redeem. You can request up to $30. So I'll click continue. Next, you need to read the terms and conditions and check this box to agree. And finally, click submit request. You'll get a confirmation that your request has been received and you'll get a check in the mail. But that's pretty much it. If you want to make some extra money online taking surveys, check the link in the description section. Thanks for watching.